So, students, today we will talk about the types of economy. Economy means a territory, a country, a particular region, an area where the economic activities takes place. That particular area is known as economy. Here, the economy sense counts as a country. एक नेशन के बारे में बात करेंगे. So there are various type of economy. And here we will talk about on the basis of two bases the types of economy. First, on the basis of stage of development. The stage of development. The stage on the basis of the stage of development, there are two types of economy: developed economy and underdeveloped or developing economy. And another basis is the on the basis of nature of economy. On the basis of nature of economy, there are three types of economy: social economy, capitalist economy, and mixed economy. Here today topic we will answer with the stage of development. On the basis of stage of development. So there are two types of economy: developed economy and underdeveloped economy or developing economy. As per UN category, it has verified three types of the income level countries. First, low level income country. Second is middle level income country, and third is high level income countries. Means here the economy is determined on the basis of per capita income. Per capita income means the income of one person in a year. That is known as per capita income. And per capita income we also compute from per capita income. Per capita income is also counted with national income divided by total population. We can find out per capita income by this formula. Also we have already studied about national income divided by total population. It gives per capita income in a year. Here, as per UN definition, UN has categorized three types of countries: lower level income, higher level income, mid level, and higher level of income. And it has measured in the term of USD, means United States dollars, US dollars. Here we have low per capita income. The countries where the low per capita income is below 995 US dollar. These countries are known as lower level income countries. Secondly, middle level income countries, which earning is from 996 US dollar to 12,055 US dollar. These countries falls under the category of middle level country or middle earning countries, and high level or higher income earning country falls 12,056 above US dollar. The people of the country where the per capita income is less than 995 US dollar per year, those countries are known as lower income earning countries. The countries with per capita income is 996 to 12,055 US dollar, these countries known as middle level earning countries. The countries which falls where the per capita income is more than 12,056 US dollar, these countries are known as higher earning countries. So here we have categorized countries: developing countries and developed countries. Developed countries are such countries which has already been developed, are the countries which have received the maximum economic growth and economic development, where there is less unemployment, where there is most of the people are employed in service sector or productive activities. Such country known as developed country. Or you can categorize, if you are working on the basis of the earning, the countries which have higher per capita income known as developed country, and the countries which are fall in lower per capita income known as developed countries, such as middle level and lower level. These countries fall in developing or underdeveloped countries. And in underdeveloped countries, most of the people are employed with agriculture. The rate of unemployment is very high and per capita income is quite low. Growth rate of population is very high. Such countries are known as developing countries. Now we will talk about the difference between developing countries and developed countries. Developing countries are such countries where the low per capita income is low, and developed countries are known as such countries which per capita income is high. Another difference, in the developing countries, most of the people are employed in agriculture sector. The developing countries, one of the features is also there. In developing countries, most of the people are employed in agriculture sector, and in developed country, the most of the people are employed in service sector or industries. Another is, in developing countries, the standard of life or the standard of living is quite low, where in the developed country, the standard of living is very high, and the rate of employment in developing countries, the rate of employment is quite low, is very low. The rate of employment is very low, and in the developed countries, the rate of employment is higher than the rate of employment in the developing countries. Another difference is between developing countries and developed countries. The distribution of wealth are equalities in the society. In developing countries is very low, and there is higher inequalities of income, where in the developed country the equalities of income is there, means that almost the wealth is equally distributed among the people, and the rate of growth of population in the developing countries, the growth rate of population is very high, where in the developed countries the growth rate of population is very low in comparison to the developing country. And the infrastructural development in developing countries, the infrastructural development or development of infrastructure is very prevalent or unequal distributed, where in the developed countries the infrastructural development is equal at all the places. And the last one is the productive sources of developing countries is primary source of production, where in the developed country there is a export and import, and they use the secondary source of the production to produce goods and services. So today we have talked about, on the basis of stage of development, there are two types of countries: developing countries and developed countries. Developed countries are such countries whose per capita income is higher, and developing countries are such countries whose per capita income is low. And as per UN category, we find three types of economy, means three stages of development. First is low, where the per capita income is $995 per year. Middle class, where the 996 to $12,055 per year, and higher income earning countries are such countries where the per capita income is $12,056 per year. In the next video we will talk about other basis on the basis of the nature of economy. In there, three types of economy: socialist economy, capitalist economy, and mixed economy. So in the next video we will talk about the socialist economy.